Dear brothers, I am quite happy to associate with this webinar organized by Muslim Youth League National Committee. This is with regard to the recent development in Lakshadweep. You all may be aware of the serious nature of the situation. We all know that the present crisis is the ill-motivated political thinking and action plan mooted by BJP and its newly appointed administrator Praful Patel. I don't want to elaborate it because I know that eminent speakers are going to speak in this and they may go into the depth of the issue. I need not tell you how bad is the behavior, decision and administration of Praful Patel. Then the media is explaining that even the High Court of Kerala, in their observation they have made, that the situation prevailing in Lakshadweep is really deplorable. This administrator, who had what is called a notorious background, he is widely discussed in this because almost all of his decisions are creating a lot of confusion, unrest and protests among this Lakshadweep inhabitants. The first thing is the certain legislation which is under pipeline now. As per the constitutional provision, once that is published and they may give a time for placing the objection and anything like that, that's only technical kind of thing. After that, that need not go to the parliament, it need not be placed in the parliament. In the next notification, that will become law. Main legislations are, 5 legislations are there. Number 1 is Lakshadweep Development Authority constitution of that authority. And the other one is Lakshadweep's Panchayati Raj Amendment. Panchayat Amendment. Similarly, another one is, third one is Animal Preservation Regulation 2021. Then the fourth one is Lakshadweep Prevention of Anti-Social Atrocities Regulation. And fifth, we will ignore it because it's not pertaining to this. It is about the cooperative sector. If we go to the details of this legislations, once it is passed, it will create a lot of consequences, not only the consequences, a very dangerous situation. With regard to the Development Authority Regulation, this empowered the administrator to do anything according to his will and pleasure. That may even upset the tendency of the Lakshadweep people. He can acquire, the government can order to go for acquisition of any land, the protects that it is for the development. Not only acquisition, they can sell it, they can hand over that. All these kind of things are there. If this is implemented, people will have to go away from the place because it's a small place. Must they take away this land for saying that it is for the industrial purpose or development purpose? They will have no alternative but to go away from the migration may take place in a big way. These kind of things are there. Similarly, if we go to Panchayat legislation, that also is very dangerous. That is deadly against the spirit of 73rd Constitution Amendment. You all know that this Constitution Amendment is meant for decentralization. One of the best legislation in India has passed with regard to democracy. That was to empower decentralization. By this legislation, administrator, not only administrator, in a panchayat even executive officer, they all are empowered to do anything quite contrary to the liking and decision of democratically elected bodies like Panchayati Raj. Because the Panchayati Raj system will come under the offices only. That is what is going to happen. And there are some other funny kind of things also, that in the Panchayat elections, persons who are having more than 2 children are disqualified to be a member in the Panchayati Raj system. These kind of things are there. Similarly, with regard to the other kind of things, this animal the protection kind of legislation, there the government is empowered to impose any kind of restriction on food habit, like whether you should eat veg or non-veg, cow, buffalo and all this kind of animals eating, that also can be totally banned. All these kind of things are there in it. Then this antisocial activities regulation, we call it as Gonda, that act. In that case, if you go through that, it is having a what is called very, very cruel kind of thing. They can do anything against innocent people. They can put them behind the bar. They can fabricate the story themselves and put the people into prison. All kind of things are there. Considering your time, I don't want to take much of this thing. So this kind of things are going on. Once it is made, this legislation, bill, act, and then that will be the end of all kind of democratic, and that will hang on the head of the people as a sword of Damocles. That is the thing. And the thing, you all know that temporary workers has been retrenched. Dairy farms are ordered to be closed. In place of that, Amul is coming. And before this, our officer took charge of the post, there was no COVID cases, because the other previous officer, he was so clean and very, very positive. So he was doing everything possible for preventing this COVID kind of, spreading the COVID kind of thing, though it was zero. Now because of this guy's very careless work, he liberalized the whole thing. Then because of that, latest figure says that TPR rate is 68% like that. All these kind of things are going on. Even alcohol is allowed now. They say that it's only for big hotels, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, like that. That's only once it is removed, this ban is removed, they can go to any extent. All these things, and fishermen, they are facing a lot of difficulties. I don't want to take much of time because there is no time for that also. All these kind of things are going on. In the future, there is another plan in their mind is, now they are enjoying this tribal reservation They were all, BJP was trying in past to nullify that. This time, after this, they may take it again. That is what they really mean, they desire. All these kind of things are there. Very strong agitations are taking place there. We must join hand with them. We must support them for this very, very noble cause, because they are very close to Kerala, and they are having a lot of connections here. Not only that, it's this BJP, after this Kashmir, they are making this as another Kashmir. These are the certain things I want to share you. There are many more things to say in detail. I hope that the others will do it. For these few words, I once again express my heartfelt thanks to you all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.